Namaste, dear coffee growers. Welcome to the India Coffee app. Today, we will learn about EUDR compliance in the India Coffee app. It is advised to first watch demonstration video on the grower registration process before proceeding with this video. Now, let's understand the background. Coffee is an export-oriented commodity in India with 70% of the production exported to more than 120 countries worldwide. The European Union accounts for 60% of India's green coffee exports, making it the major market for Indian coffees. As coffee is covered under the European Union Deforestation Regulation or EUDR, it's essential that coffee farmers ensure compliance with the EUDR. As per the EUDR, any company in the European Union importing coffee has to prove that the coffee has been sourced from the deforestation-free areas, that the coffee was not produced on the land that was deforested after 31st December 2020. How is this new regulation relevant to you? If you are exporting directly to the EU market or selling to the trader or curer or exporter who is in turn exporting your coffee to the European Union, then you are required to share a geolocation or a polygon of your estate in a GeoJSON format with them. Importing companies in the EU will use this polygon or the geolocation to verify and establish that your coffee was not grown on the land deforested after 31st December 2020. How can you generate a geolocation or a polygon for your estate? Yeah, we are happy to help you here. The Coffee Board has introduced the relevant modules in the India Coffee app to facilitate the easy generation of a geolocation or polygon. Farmers are encouraged to download the India Coffee app, register themselves as a growers, and then generate a geolocation or a polygon as required. Before starting the EUDR compliance, remember, you can begin only after your registration in the India Coffee app has been approved by the extension officers. Now, open the app, click on the EUDR compliance, click on the Add button to start the questionnaires. We will show you the two scenarios. Scenario 1. If the estate is established before 1st January 2021, enter the year the estate was established. This video uses sample data only. Do not copy the same values. If the estate existed prior to 1st January 2021, select Yes. Application will then allow you to generate a polygon. Scenario 2. If the estate established after 1st January 2021, enter the year of establishment. If the estate was set up after 1st January 2021, more questions will appear. Enter the year of plantation. Answer whether any forest trees were removed after 31st December 2020 for new planting. If the answer is yes, the application will reject it. The grower can then click on the Resubmit, make corrections and save the application. Please note, however, if the forest tree is removed after 31st December 2020 for new coffee planting, then India Coffee app will not allow the growers to generate the polygon or geolocation of the estate, since these estates are not compliant with the EUDR. Do's: take the polygon either clockwise or anti-clockwise. In the add points method, add more points for higher accuracy. If the polygon ends slightly away from the starting point, the system will auto-connect the both first and last points. For the geo-coordinates method, stand at the center of the estate while capturing the point. Do not switch between online and offline modes while generating a polygon. Complete it entirely in one mode. Avoid creating polygon in zigzag or crisscross shapes. These will be rejected by approvers and cause delays. Do not walk the same path twice, as it may distort the shape of the polygon. Polygon generation. Polygon means digitally marking the estate boundaries. For estate above 4 hectares, use polygon method. For estate below 4 hectares, use the geo-coordinates method. Geo-coordinates. Click Generate Polygon, select Geo-coordinates, go to Estate, stand at the center of the estate and click Get Coordinates. The app will capture the latitude and longitude. Click Save. Please note, generating geo-coordinates at your estate can be done offline. Data will be synced automatically when internet is available. Read and agree the terms and conditions before clicking on the Submit button. Polygon by walking. For more than 4 hectares, click Generate Polygon. Select Generate Polygon by walking. Stand at the starting point of the estate. Click on the Start button when you are ready to take the polygon. The app will capture points every 3 seconds as you walk. Walk around the estate boundaries. You can pause and resume as needed. When complete, click on the Stop button, then save the points. Please note, do not walk the same path multiple times and avoid taking the zigzag or crisscross patterns. Read and agree the terms and conditions before clicking on the Submit button. Please note, generating the polygon at your estate can be done offline. Data will be synced automatically when internet is available. Generate polygon by adding points. Click Generate Polygon. Select Generate Polygon by adding points. Stand at a boundary point of the estate. Click Add button. Move to the next boundary point and click Add button again. Continue until the full estate is covered. Add at least 4 points. For curves, add more points for better accuracy. The Delete button to remove unwanted points or incorrect points. Once done, click on the Save Points. Please note, generating polygon at your estate can be done offline. Data will be synced automatically when internet is available. Once done generating the polygon, click on Save Map Data as GeoJSON button. Read and agree the terms and conditions before clicking on the Submit button. Your application will be now sent to respective extension officer for approval. The extension officer will visit the estate to verify both the estate and the data provided by the grower. Based on the verification, the officer will either approve or reject the application. Once approved, you will receive a notification in the application. After approval, the grower can view and share the polygon. If the application rejected, grower can see the reason of the rejection by clicking on the button and click on the Resubmit button and make necessary changes and submit the application again. If growers have any more questions about EUDR, they can call the CKT hotline service and record their queries. Coffee board experts will respond to the queries within 48 hours. Thank you.